Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some of the stuffed animals I have. And I have a panda and a dog, and I have some others, but they are downstairs, so I'm going to show you. I have this panda and this dog. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye.